Oh, that's so bad, Dad. Oh, that's so bad, Dad. Oh, that's so bad. Air Force One, but like the jet plane, them the American presidents have.
Gaza Nation, UTG, Uptown Gaza, Gaza Nation. I have to deal with this, so. I have to start the review, yeah, so. When you see Aikodon step out, you have to know, say, yo, that one you're special. You have to know, say, yo, that one you're different. World boss. The man call and ask us daddy, say, yo, oh, that one is so bad. Viewer subscriber, if you don't get in a pair yet, you need to place in an order right now. It's either you go down a town, or you go online, you go Amazon, you go eBay, you go wherever line, or you have a call and people, my friend, and say, watch you know, we need some brand new Air Force One. Because guess what go on?
Me feel hype like Jesus when him walk across the water. And me Air Force sneakers, yeah, the black one are Obama. The white ones are me Katy Perry, me Madonna. The brown ones are me Cardi B, me Ariana. If a pink or peaches get one for ya, Diana.
Feel hype like Jesus when him walk across the water. Viewer subscriber, make me know what you think about that one here right now. Cause me nah lie, the song just start and it bad already. It a buzz already. Air Force One, though, the man when him put it on, him feel hype like Jesus when he walk across the water. The man say, yo, in my Air Force One sneakers, the black one, him call a one day the Obama. You know what I mean? I don't know. The man say, yo, you see the white one them, that's my Katy Perry and my Madonna. The brown one them, I'm my Cardi B and my Rihanna. The man say, yo, if a pink or peaches, get one for Addiana. No joke about that. Can't live in data. I want to you, yo, vybz kartel. When I say the man have style, the man have style. The man go so and put the whole UTG together and say, yo, bad song. And say, yo, it song. And say, yo, represent with something you like. You know what I mean? And the man says, alright, Air Force One, you kick them with. Take in some more, right?
Real, never from China. These beats make a gal dance. Cocaine white on my feet. That right there, if my switch start tonight, you will see a black spider.
Likkle vibe jump on the beat and make you know say yo. Real one we have beat, you know. Them one, them no come from China. These beat make your girl wanna join us. You know what I mean? Cause guess what go on? Them cocky and white man on we feet, I want to them. Me nah lie. Viewer subscriber, me say that song you hot. Me nah lie. Take in some more, right?
Post one Louis T skinny jeans, fresh pair. Addiana in the ear, those songs touching me in the corner is a Air Force. Land a runway, so me stay me get a Air Force, girl. Look out.
When you see the UTG gang step out, move out our way. The man jump on the rhythm again and the man say, yo, Air Force, Louis T's, skinny jeans, fresh pair. The man say, Addiana, you know hear those songs. Touch the main on the corner is a Air Force land. The man say, yo, when him touch on the runway, him get a Air Force girl. Viewer subscriber, if you don't like a line there, press like. If you don't like a line there, leave a comment in the comment section. Bad song. Take in some more, right?
Out here they come, so clean, so handsome. Brand new Air Force Ones, brand new Air Force Ones.
Viewer subscriber, me nah lie. Me like how they go there just jump in on the rhythm and her voice just sound fresh like a pair of Nike here. Me nah lie. She come like a Air Force One. Me like that style yeah. Me like that song yeah. Me like, hear me say no man, bad song. Press like and leave a comment. Take in some more, right?
Air Force, that clean like my damn sheet, pan feet. My beat it with a bad jeans, long sleeve. Me no wake up the touch clean, official like a TV flat.
Watch I go on now, viewer subscriber. The next UTG general jump out and I say, yo, Air Force, that clean like my damn sheet, pan feet. In my beat with a bad jeans. Watch that one? The man say, yo, him no real long sleeve. Cause the touch clean. You know what I mean? Them official. Like TV flat screen. Viewer subscribe, me not lie. You see them youth, yeah? Them full of lyrics. Them full of talent. But guess what go on? I can't tell them father. So without a doubt, them did half it forward that way. Me not lie. That song ya bad. Right now, I need a new Air Force One. I have one and I need three more. just for that song right now. Viewer subscriber, leave your comment in the comment section. Bad song and bad song. Take him some more, right?
Fresh beer out of the box, not the anti-concrete. Some flow tough and you can't see it. Plan A, take him girl. Next day, plan B, fully palmer. Already have a
Oh,
fun.
that's so bad.
Likkle Addi, I want to make you forget so hard, youth. The man jump on the man and say, yo, fresh beer out of the box, not an antique. Viewer subscriber, an antique is what? Something with all. From ancient times, you know what I mean? From God upon earth. Yeah, man, the whole time sitting. No, fresh out the box. I saw the GR roll. The man say, yo, him style of concrete. You know, say the flow, it tough. You must have to see that. The man say, yo, plan A, take him girl. Next day, plan B. Him bust have his skins, man. But guess I go on. The man say, yo, fully palmer, you know. The man say, yo, I don't have a family already, man. No worry about nothing else. Remember all the G thing going on. I don't have to talk much about that. I not lie. That song, yeah. I like how Aikodon stay so and forward and just intro the song. And the intro alone, I say one. Remember, you know, them say Aikodon are going to be the producer, you know. And just like many producers, but we know, them only intro the song them and the song shot. I'm not lie. Just the part where Aikodon forward and I said, Dad, oh, that's so bad. That part there alone could have hit the billboard. I'm not lie. Viewer subscriber, Gaza Nation, in the comment section, UTG people, in the comment section, make me know what you think about that song. Make me know how much you grade that song out of 10. Make me know what you think about Aikodon, like a part them come intro the song. Make me know what you think about the whole song. I'm not lie. Bad song a bad song. I'm an officer respect. Vybz Kartel, you see you, them can't style you. When them try to stop you, you're coming like a runaway train. You find a way how to do it. If you can't reach by plane, you reach by boat. If bike not work, you walk go there. A sudden man you full of style. Them can't stop you. Gaza Nation, represent the artist right now in the comment section. At the Irons Boss, at the Ironsing TV.
Oh, that's so bad, Dad. Oh, that's so bad, Dad. Oh, that's so bad. Air Force One, but like the jet plane, them the American presidents have.
Me feel hype like Jesus when him walk across the water. And me Air Force sneakers, yeah, the black one of Obama. The white ones, and me Katy Perry, me Madonna.